This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so next topic we are going to discussing release procedure or release strategies. So what is release procedure means? It's in maybe we creating PR or PO, or maybe we need approvals for further process to the from the internal teams. Maybe the PR is a managers or PO it's a managers. PO it's a manager has to approve that. How it will be approving the based on his mail approvals managers. So within the his mail approvals, so we will do the configuration release procedure. So release procedure means it's a controlling the our operations, or what is the what is the POs we are releasing. So may top management also sometimes they want to know the business, what are the happening and what is the POs we releasing to the vendors. So they want to know some kind of informations, or maybe the what is the day-to-day activities or information also. We can do the release procedure. So release procedure means release approvals. So whatever the documents they be creating, managers has to approve that. So how they will approve? So there are the different combination of documents. So we doing the configurations. We'll see what is that release procedure for combinations and all. See, generally release procedure means it's a two types will be there: with the classification, without classifications. So with the classifications means, so in this with classifications, we can release documents to two levels, with the header levels and the item levels. So documents means it's a PR or PO is there. So we can do release procedure with the item level or header level. Let's examples. Okay, PRME51N. So we will do the configurations. So after that, I'm saying that. So we can do the release procedure configurations with header level and item levels. That is two levels. That will come under as a with the classifications. So with the classifications, we can release the documents to two levels: header level and item levels. Okay, without classifications, whether it's possible, item level only possible, item levels only possible without classification. Why without? With classifications also possible is there. PRO we can do without classification. Both the levels we can do in PR levels. We can do the configuration with classification, without classification also we can do, because PR is an internal document. So that is the reason. So both the levels it's a possible. But so with the classifications we have to release purchase order, I'm saying that. So purchase order, it's possible only header level only. So interviews, they will ask the questions, why we cannot release PO in item level. So PO is a external document, we cannot release in item level. PO should always, it's a header level only, it's possible for releasing document. Okay, that one point you should remember. So with classification, with class, without classifications, two types, and under that it is in. So what are the with classification? Okay, so with classification means it is in. So we can do the release documents two levels, so header level and item level. Without classification, release is possible only item level only possible. Okay, so release procedure, so we have to take combinations, like maybe when we creating purchase order, or maybe when you creating purchase requisition. Okay, so what are the fields important to, or maybe compared to PR, we will see PO. So PO, whenever we creating, so document, PO document is mandatory. That's examples here, E21N. Okay. See document number, this is document types. So this is very important field. We will do configurations, document type. Okay. Next to net order values. That means a PO value based also we can do configurations, or plant based we can do configurations, or company code based on also we can do configuration, even the purchase organizations. Our wish. So business requirement we can do the configurations, like whether document type or any two characters we need standard. Whether document type is one characteristics, that means we're taking one combinations. Or company code and plant to, that is one combinations. Company code and one plant combination, or PO document type plus net order value, that means PO order value. So based on these combinations, see here the release procedure combination of company code plan to, we will take any one combinations. Two we needed, whether company code plant or plant to document type or net order value, purchase organization, purchase group, any one these two we need combinations. So release procedure, we can do the configurations. So release procedure, the combination of company code plan to purchase organization, purchase document type, net order value, purchase organization, and purchase group. These combinations, anything combinations, we will do the configurations. We'll see the practically. This is there isn't any theoretically. So this is combination. I mean, just theory means it's a exam. I mean, release procedure. It's two types. Is there with without classifications? The release procedure we will do the configuration combination of company code, plan to purchase organization, purchase group, or PO document type, net order value. But most of the cases, the client they will tell do the configurations, the PO document type plus net order value. This is the key combinations. Generally, the combination of so configurations, net order value, this one. This company code plant also they will take. So this company code plant, if you take PO value 100 rupees also, we have to release approvals from the 4-5 managers. So we don't want to 100 rupees PO value for 4-5 vendors. So because here it is a combinations we are taken only document types. If you take order value, means net order value, we can do the configuration. What we can, okay, PO value, let's say example 1 rupee to 10,000. First person will come. Next PO is 50,000 is there. Now what is the, so manager approach is 10,000 is there examples. So we need to take approach from the is manager approach. My manager, purchase manager, he have approach 30,000. Then automatically third person. So we need approach. Again, it's more than 30,000 is there. So 30,000 is a three persons we have to take approvals. That where will come value based. This is net order value. If you take this order value, then it's a multiple people we need to take approvals. If you take these applications, I mean combination company code and plant, if three peoples are there, so all the peoples we need to take approvals. Here there we are not doing any combinations. Here the values it will be doing combination. This is the characteristics. Here also character, but one character is the one order currency is there, euro also, I mean currency based. Okay, again PR or PO, so maximum 8 levels we can release one document. Whether PR or PO, maximum 8 levels we can take approvals from the managers. Let's say PO is one PO is a 30 lakhs is there. So for 30 lakhs, I can take 8 members approvals. So that we can do the configurations in system. So what is the levels in interview also they will ask, so how many levels we can take approvals from the release procedure, or how many levels we can do the configuration. So 8 levels is last. We cannot take more than that. Ninth person's approach is not required. The maximum is last is 8 members. That's it. PR or PO, maximum 8 levels or approach is last. Okay. Now we'll see the practically how we will do the configurations. Then we can practical how it will be work. We will see. Okay. So now first we will go back to here SPRO screen. We have to go. So now I am taking configuration like okay. So I will take configurations here PO document type NB and PO net order value. Okay, so this is the combinations. Now I'm taking. So document type, if I want to take, so standard is NB. So I don't want to be use NB. Then I have to create new document type. Okay. Then PO value I have to give. What is the values? Let's see in practical. So document type NB. So whenever I'm selecting document type ZNB or A00, then release procedure will be applicable. If I select the standard document type NB, then release procedure it's not applicable. So that is the reasons we are creating one document type. So I'm taking combinations. So PO document type and net order value. This is the combinations I'm doing the configurations now release procedure. Okay, so go to okay, okay, SPRO, okay, reference IMG, materials management, under materials management purchasing, under purchasing purchase order, okay, under purchase order, see, the release procedure for purchase orders. Okay, so we have to click this one release procedure for purchase orders. Under that edit characteristics edit class define release procedure for purchase order. This is the three steps we have to do the configurations. So first we have to do the edit characteristics. So edit characteristics is a T code is a CT04. Okay, that's edit characteristics CT04 T code. So now we'll click this one. Okay, now we have to create two characteristics. That means, so PO document type is, this is one characteristics and net order value, that is one characteristics. So we have to create two characteristics. See, descriptions you can give anything, see whatever you wanted, or maybe so our company code is there, you can give, or PO release we can give, so whatever you wanted. As examples, I will give release procedure double R, okay, PO I will enter. Let's say examples. Okay, release procedure PO. So after that you just enter, or you can here create is there. You can give click here, or you just press enter. The system will ask you, do you want to create the characteristics? Yes. Okay, here basic data, description, values, additional data, restriction it is there. So now we will see. First is a basic data. So basic data, so first what the combinations I'm taking here, so document types. So document types, so here you can enter PO document type, or you can enter anything RRPO. So what you enter here, then automatically description will change it. How it will be changed, we'll tell you. So here format is there. So now I'm taking, this is the data type we have, character format is there, currency format is there, date format is there, but 99% to one character, one currency format only they will take, most of the 99% of the companies. So first I'm going to take a one character format. What is character means? Here PO document type. So this is character. Next is I'm taking net order value. Value in is, that is currency format. So next second one I will take this currency format. Now I'm going to take a character format. So when I select this character format, the system is asking to me enter the number of characters. So PO document type minimum is a standard is a 4 characters length. So that is here we need to be enter. So how you will get this 4 characters length means the ABAPers technical teams they will give the informations to us. Okay, that I will tell you. So, so select here character types number of 4, Then you can value assignment, you can give here multiple values. We need to be tick this one. Okay, after this we have to go to additional data. So basic data, once you've done this one, so format you can select number of characters, value assignment you can select multiple, then go to additional data, click this one. Here we need to be enter table and field. So table means this abapers. Okay, PO table one is there, PR table one name is there. Let's example POME21N. This all this document type, this vendor, header, item overview, item details, all together. Okay, one table is there. Under that table, this is one field. This is one vendor is one field. Next, where header level, item overview. This under fields, it's not a table. One table under that, this is the table. Fields names. Material one field name. Short test is one field name. PO quantity is one field names. Now, the table name is PO table name is CEKKO. Here we should enter CEKKO. Okay, this we should by heart. So going one, I will tell you one ABAP, so technical words also we should by heart that. So table name is CEKKO. Under that field name means our PO document type. So now I'm taking combinations, PO document type. This field name, this is, so this they will call field name is BSART. BSART here, BSART. So if you want to know these tables names and field names, go to here, SC11, one dictionary is there, BAP dictionary, SC11, see here the table. So CEKKO is our PO table. Just enter PO table name here, go to display here. Okay, see, this is company code we will call, but technical teams they will not use this word. They will call BUKARS, bugs. Okay, purchase document category. This is one. So what we are selecting here, document type. See, document type, order type. Order type means purchase order type. BSART. That fields is here. This is PO columns. This is BSRT field. This is standard is 4 characters length. See here, BSART types component. This is the field name only. Character type. The length is 4. So order type this one. Now I selected here in this field. Table is CEKKO BSART. When I enter, system is saying that format data taken from ABAP dictionary. Yes, continue. Because this field its data is taken from the above dictionary. Just continue. Now see the basic data, see order type it came purchasing, but I didn't enter this one. I just enter here RRPO. But even though, so what we taken here the description for this one, BSRT means the basic data description, it will come order type. Okay, next here, so first basic data, then go to additional data, then here we need to go to values. So values means, so what is our PO document type? So now I'm taking combination is ENB, standard document type. So I'm not taking standard document type ENB. I'm taking to document type my own document type. So what I created my own document, where we will create one document type. So now again SPRO screen we'll see. Okay, SPRO. Okay, materials management, purchasing, purchase order. Okay, here document type, just click this one. Okay, so go to NB position, so NB standard document type. Select NB and copy as. Okay, we can queue. I mean, we can copy here. You can edit this. See, this 4 characters is length, numeric or alpha. That is here characters length there. Set here. Document type characters length is 4. Okay. Now I have so many document. Just I will use my anything I created already. It is there. So double Q is there, or maybe D1 to 3 also there. I think. D1 to 3 is there. NPF. 1 second. Okay, and this is also me only. I only created NB Jet. I will take this one. So you can enter here, or before you creating in this step, you can create one document type. You can create. So here I created ZB NB Jet. Here you can enter standard view description. Okay. So now we created one characteristic. That what is the characteristic? So I'm giving characteristics double R pivot, but this is my document type. When I'm selecting this document type, when I'm creating purchase order, here, this one, NB only when I'm select this document, then release procedure should come. If I'll select NB, then it will not come because I am doing configuration based on this document type only I am selecting. So that is the reasons we are creating here. First is a document type. Just save now. Now we created one characteristics. What we created characteristics, so double R pivot. Now I need to be create another characteristic for for net order value. Okay, now document type we taken. So next I'm going to create a pivot net order value. Okay, this is currency format. So here I'm taking, so maybe net order value, or you can enter, or maybe PO1 I will enter simple, or PO value. Okay, then wait that PO value. Okay, so this is the we taking combinations value based. Okay, so just enter same thing, so you will get same here. So you can enter whatever you wanted, then automatically it will be save the data. I mean it will be changed here. Now I'm taking, it's a currency format. When I select a currency format here, system is number of characters is 50. What currency is asking, whether euro, dollar, INR, pounds, something. So which currency you are doing, we need to be enter here currency. Okay, INR. Here additional value assignment, we should select multiple values. Additionally, we have to select intervals values allowed. Why we need to be select intervals values allowed means I am giving values. So this is the value based. The system has to accept that. So that is the reason intervals values allowed. We should tick this one. Okay, then go to additional data. Again, first to basic data, then we have to go to additional data. Then same table is CKKO, PO table. Next is a net order value. So net order value for here in GNETW is the net order value. So we should by heart this. That is the reason I am telling GNETW. Okay. So net order value. You can scroll down here, or you can find button is there here also. You can enter, no problem. See GNETW. This is total net order value. That is PO value. See now currency is 15 characters. So that is I entered here. Now I am entering here GNETW. This is GNETW. When I'm taking this one, format data taken from ABAP dictionary, just continue. So you will go back to automatically basic data, net order value that will come. So because I'm selecting this is table, under that field name, the field name is description, here will come net order value. The currency format 15 characters, number of characters, and currency is INR. See here, same thing. Okay, after that, after basic data, additional and values. Here we should give the values for the PO values. Maximum 8 levels we can release approvals for purchase orders. So you can enter here values. Okay, let's examples. PO value. Maybe I'm creating 1 rupee. Okay, first you just enter maybe 100 rupee, 10 rupees I will enter maybe. PO value, or maybe 1 rupee also. Amount to first to space hyphen, next 20,000 is the first person's my manager, or maybe we can make it 25,000. Amount to space, again space, sorry, yes, hyphen space then amount. Second person's 25,000 1 rupee. Okay, space hyphen space, make it 50,000. Next, third person, 50,000. Sorry, yes, 50,000. Okay, so 50,000 1 rupee. Amount to space hyphen, next to space then amount. Next, 75,000 1 rupee to 1 lakh is there. Now, if you want to create another person, 1 lakh 1 rupee to 2 lakhs. Now, if I'm creating purchase orders with these values, so managers they are getting mails. Now, less than pivot value 25,000, it will go to first person. If it is in 45,000, 49,999 rupees, this person. The PO value is 50,000 1 rupee, then it will go to third person. So based on these values, managers automatically they will get mail. How they will back end the mail automatically? This technical teams, IT teams, they doing configuration. Best example, see whenever you creating a bus ticket or movie ticket through mobile or whatever it may be. So we have to give our mail ID one. So if you enter mail ID at the time of, they will send one mail acknowledgement, copy ticket number or something. They will send it to your mail. So how they're connecting that is the technical teams they're doing configuration back as a functional teams. So we don't have, we will do that kind of activity. So that employees at the time of the IT teams they will do the configurations, technical teams. Okay, now we enter the values. Okay, so 2 lakhs, so maximum 4 persons, 5 persons, we done the configurations. Now based on values till 2 lakhs, now all the 5 people will get mailed. So we'll see how we will getting these mails. We will not show you how the 5 people will come for one purchase order approving. We'll see practically. Okay, now just save. Now 2 characters we created. What we created character first to CT here edit characteristics. First we created RRPO. This one character. Second character RR sorry PO value we created. Okay. Now second step. So this is edit characters. This is one characteristics and this is one characteristics. Now we are going to create edit class. After classes, this one, it will come edit classes. The CL01, CL02, CL03 is a T codes. Okay, this also same. Creation, I mean CT04 changes, I think C256, I think. We'll see this one. I think same only. CT04 only here it will be changes everything. Okay, now we'll go back to here edit classes. Just click this one. When you click this one, CL02, it will be there here. Okay, you just enter here RRPO class. You can give anything whatever you wanted. After this, go to here create. Then automatically the system will ask you class type. So class type is 032. That means it's a release strategies means 032. This is important. You should remember this. In release procedure, what is class type they will ask. 032 we should remember and we should tell in interview time. So class type is 032 for release procedure. Release release strategy or release procedure, everything is same 032. We should select. Then go to here new or maybe directly CL01 also you can give, no problem, T code. Okay, now basic data. So basic data you can give whatever you descriptions. So whatever you entered here, if you want you can enter same thing RRPO class. Okay, then go to characteristics. Here it is there. This is which date we are doing creations, it will come valid from this is characteristics. Okay, here go to characteristics. Here the character what we created first, we CT04 under this RRPO value we need to be entered here. RRPO, then RRPO value. Okay, so then automatically this descriptions it will come here, and characters and what is the characters length, and this PO value, net order value, currency, what is the characters length, everything will come automatically. Then save. Okay, next define release procedure for purchase order, third step. Okay, just double click this one. Here release group codes who indicator release strategy, four steps are there. So what is release groups means, release group is a 2 characters length. Okay, whether numeric or alpha, whatever it may be. Release group characters length is 2 characters. What is groups means, who are approving managers, those people will come under as a release group. Now I created 5 people, any one PO releasing one purchase orders, those people will come under as a one group, release group. That is release group. So who are approving purchasers, who are approving purchase managers, those people will come under as a one group, that is release group. So release group is 2 characters length. Just double click this one. Okay, so whenever you log into this so some standard is there, you can select this one, delete. This is demo system, we need to be delete this one, but in real time we will not do this one. So because there the data is a fresh, we are giving data, system is accepting that. So here, so when we the other data also it will be impact for us. So that is the reasons. So whenever you log into the release group, select line item, delete, then you will create new entries. So release groups, 2 characters, you can give whatever you wanted, numeric or alpha. Let's examples, I'm giving AA. Class is there. So class means here edit class. So in this step what we created, we need to be enter there. So edit class I created RRPO class, we need to be enter that, enter and save. Okay, now we'll go back. Release codes means here will come all the managers. Let's go to new entries. Group is same, double A. Here code is there. That means who's the managers. In real time we will enter employee ID numbers, managers. Here nobody will be there, employees IDs under. So what we'll do, we can enter this is also 2 characters length only. We cannot give more than that. So let's examples. Now I will give 01. Okay, so 01 is first purchase manager will come. So that means he have 25,000. Now we entered 5 manager, 2 lakhs up to 5 levels. So now we'll see double A 02. Okay, senior managers, purchase managers. Next group are same. We cannot change that. So 03 third person code. Okay, here head of the department maybe. Next double A fourth person. Okay, what to do here? Okay. So cost center managers will put. Okay, CC cost center manager. Okay. Next, yeah. Fifth person here MD I will take. I'm just giving here description whatever we want. But real times we will enter employee code number, employee ID number with they will responsibilities make maybe purchase manager. If names will how this based on this link to code to description automatically this will come. Okay, enter and save now. Okay, I will go back. Next, release indicators. In SAP, there are two release indicators is two, R and B. R is release, B is blocked. Two indicators will be there, SAP standards. That means, okay, somebody's changed here, no problem. See, release code they made it is changed. One is a PO blocked, two is a PO release, but SAP standard here. Okay, so we will change this one. Okay, there is no problem. So instead of one, here should be B. B is blocked. Two is a in this place should be comes in SAP standard R. That means released. Okay, release indicators two types. B is blocked, R is release. Okay, now we'll go back. See here we will not do just we checking what is the indicators for the when we creating time purchase order something. Okay. Now release strategies. Okay, just double click this one. Okay, go to new entries. See here, release codes are 8 members are there. Now we done 5 peoples. 5 peoples has a will releasing one purchase orders. So maximum PR or PO 8 levels is a maximum levels for releasings. Okay, release groups. What we created release group double A. Here you can enter release strategy also same thing you can give. Here the PO release you can enter descriptions whatever you wanted. Release codes here what I entered 01, 02, next 03, 04, 05. When give this indicate codes then enter automatically descriptions will come. Okay, next we have to go to these 4 steps. Release prerequisites. Just click this one. When I click this one you will get this indicators like checkbox. 1 2 3 4 5 you can go for this level or you can go for this level. So what we need to be understand here, see PO first person is purchase manager, he will approve 1 rupee PO or 50 lakhs PO also. Purchase manager is first person, he has to approve. So that is the reasons there is no any indicator for him 01. Okay, no checkbox here for him. See next is senior manager 2. Two, whenever is approving the first person, that means who will has to approve, purchase manager has to approve. That how we will know first person is approved, he will get one tick mark. Okay, that is purchase manager is approved. Next is a third person, head of the department. He will, before approving, he will check one and two people will be approved. Who are one? One is purchase manager, two is a senior managers. This he will check these two indicators, then he will approve. Then fourth person, that is C cost center manager. Before you approving, C1, I mean 01 is purchase manager or senior manager, head of the department. These three people has to approve. How you will know? The three tick marks should be the tick indicators. Then only we'll approve. The last person is a MD, managing director. He will also, before approving, four people has to approve this. In case if we will not check this one indicators, if you continue this one, if I will create purchase order, value is in 2 lakhs. First 2 lakhs, it's a approvals based on the manager has to get. But here, if we were not maintaining this indicator, this checkbox, all the people's, the first MD will get mailed, then cost center manager he will get mailed, then head of the department or manager or so there is no any proper integrations, or there is no any proper steps. There is no, so automatically anybody, when anybody will get first mail, it's not like that. So based on manager, purchase manager, next to senior manager, head of the department, cost center manager, finally he has to go to MD. How if he has to go to? Because of these indicators. If you are not doing, all the managers, anybody will first he will get mailed. So we need to be tick this. If you're not ticking, so all the people will get mailed, but you don't know first person who will receive the mails and all. So automatically blindly it will go mails. So if you want to go to the approvals based on approval matrix, then we have to tick these indicators. Interview also they will ask, in case the managers, so now I created 1 lakh PO, so 3 managers are there. So the first person is not received mail, the final person is he got the mail when I submit the purchase order. How he will got mail? What is the problems? It has to go to first purchase manager, right? Why he didn't get mail? This is of reasons. So they're not set the indicators here. So that is the reasons. Though anybody will get the mail, the first, there is no indicators. If you want to get the manager's approvals based on approval matrix, we should this tick marks here. Okay, then continue. Then go to release status. So here see, one, the first, when you upload the first person, PO is blocked. So see, two persons are approved, still PO is blocked. When the 5 people are approved, then automatically PO will be released. This is just a status for us. Okay, Tom, now whom you approved, who has to approve, approvals, which managers are pending. So that is the reason our PO is blocked. So all the, when the 5 people are approved, then only finally the PO will be approved, is released. Okay, and that is okay. Continue. Next here, classifications. Okay, so document type. So for document type, what we created there, ZC, NB, ZZ. We select this one. Continue. Next, net order value. All the people's, I mean, what are the values we entered, it will be there. So this first is EA1 will go, I mean 01, 02, 2 person, second person, this third, fourth, fifth person. Now just continue here. So you will get 5 people here. Okay. Now we go back here, or here next screen is there. You can use anyone. Okay. Next, release simulations. Release simulations. If we click here, okay, now see the releases to date, nothing will be there. When I continue here, I save. When I save the data, then you will get to release indicators 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. All the people will come here. See now, continue, save. Then again, I will go back to release simulations. See here, final release, all the people they're affected here. So this is the configuration levels. Okay, now we'll see the PO creations, how this release, whatever we done, the configuration has to come. Go to ME21N. Then what is the document type we take a configuration? We should select here. Okay, GNB judged. If I'm not selecting, if I'm select continue document type NB, then release procedure it will not. We need to be select to document type NB judged. Vendor is your wish, so we can give any vendor here. We will not do in configurations here. The document type and net order value. So we can give anyone. Okay, D123 is my vendor. Next, purchase organization. D123 purchase group, then company code D123. Here values, you can give whatever you wanted. Let's we check any maybe. Okay, then I will take Dell laptop only. Okay, PO quantities as examples. 8. Okay. Okay, it's okay. 5 delivery date 25th July. Okay, prices per laptop I will make it 35,000. See how much value will come in. Then plan to DP1 storage locations B1 S1. Okay, now okay, so quantities 1 lakh 2 lakhs we made it, right? Then I will make it, this is 10 pieces. Okay, then this 8 I will make it. Okay, so now 2 lakhs we enter there. It is in 25,000. I mean 2 lakhs we enter the mail approvals for managers. Now it's 2 lakhs. So PO has to go to 5 members for these approvals. Okay, now create the purchase order you created. Just save this one. Okay, for PO release T code is a ME29N. Okay, the PO release T code is a ME29N. Okay, now go to what is the PO number? It's a 19094 is a PO number. Okay, now go back to ME29N. Okay, go to here, other purchase order, enter 194 is the PO number. Okay, so where you will get this release strategy means in header level, because PO is an external document, it will come only header level only will come here. See here, release strategy is there. So normally we will not see this tab. When you log into the ME29N, you will get this one. See, if you click this one, so you will get all the managers. It's one. Now first person, he will log in and he will click here release. The status, it will come tick mark. Okay, so you will save first person. Then automatically it will go to manager, second manager approvals. So when you will Outlook mail their internally they're using, so it will go to link this PO number and this waiting for approvals with this PO number. They will get mail. So they will log in with SAP, their credential details, and they will approve here. But here we will do all together in one time itself. See here. So still here the release indicator. See, when I click MD5 peoples, then automatically here the status will be 2 will come. PO is a blocker. So till 5 people are approved. See. Okay. Now its status is a PO released. Okay. Go back and save. So this is release indicators. I mean release procedures. Based on values we can do. So PR also it will come same thing. I will explain next class. This only table name is different. That's it. There it will we can do header level if we want to, we can do, or item level if we want to, we can do this release tab, release strategy. Because PR is the internal documents, that is the reasons we can do both the levels, which levels the client he wanted. Or so this is PO is the external document. Header item levels it's not possible, only header level is possible. We should come here, release strategy here. Okay, so now we'll see the 190.94 goods receipt on Miro. One 94. Okay, yes, item. Okay, post. Okay, so this is the document is posted. Now we'll see the MIRO. Okay, invoice date 21/7/2020. Just enter here PO number 190.94. Okay, select tax code. Okay, D1. Then here we should select D1. Then it will go to payment due date. Okay, just again enter the basic data. Just enter the calculate tax amount. So 10,000 is tax. So 2 lakhs 10,000 including tax. Is 4 zeros. Yes. Okay. Enter and save. So this is release procedure. Okay, so even the PR also same, only table name will come. So what is the table names means? It is in changes here. See, the PO table is a CKKO or CKKO or EKKO also they will say. Okay, but PR table is CBAN. Same document type will come there also. NB is there. Net order value we will go, or we can go there. It is in company code or plant combination also. So we'll see next class. I will just 15-20 minutes get that PR. So PR, and I will take automatic PO creation is there. That is only 3-4 steps are there. How we will create purchase order automatically. That too we will complete in one section. Next class we'll see the PR creations, how it will come, just for 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, I will send it to you. Yes, you can refer and go practice this. Okay.
Okay.